Driving me up the wall. Understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that you might have heard, driving me up the wall. This phrase can be quite puzzling if you're learning English, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, driving me up the wall, is an idiom, which is a type of expression where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. When someone says this phrase, they're expressing that something or someone is making them very irritated or annoyed. It's a colorful way to say that you're being driven to distraction or to the point of frustration. This idiom is often used in casual conversations to convey feelings of annoyance in a somewhat humorous or exaggerated manner. Understanding where idioms come from can sometimes help us remember them better. The exact origin of driving me up the wall is a bit murky, like many idioms. However, it's believed to have come from the mid-20th century. The imagery suggests the idea of being so agitated that you could literally climb up the walls. While the specific origins might be unclear, the vivid imagery it evokes helps make it a memorable way to express frustration. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. The constant construction noise outside is driving me up the wall. My little brother won't stop singing that annoying song. He's driving me up the wall. Trying to assemble this furniture without instructions is driving me up the wall. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, from mild annoyance to significant irritation, and is applicable to both people and situations. It's important to know the right context for using idioms like driving me up the wall. Since it's a casual and somewhat colloquial expression, it's best used in informal settings among friends or family. It's not suitable for formal contexts, such as in a business meeting or academic paper. Understanding the tone and setting is key to using idioms appropriately. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, driving me up the wall, for you. Idioms like this one add color and variety to our language, making conversations more vivid and expressive. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice, so try using this phrase in your conversations where appropriate. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!